Hi viewers, we are getting so much of queries regarding the job vacancies. So based on that queries and comments, we have discussed with our client companies about some requirements and job vacancies, and they have revealed some job vacancy. So today I thought, okay, let's share these job vacancies with you all. So let's start with the testing job. So this is a testing leader position which needs 5 to 10 years of experience, and this is the skills needed, the manual and the automation, both the testing, and the location is Hyderabad. Uh, Next one is Java developers. First one is this is Java developer, and the skills needed at the core Java, JSP, servlets, Hibernate, Spring, Oracle, SQL Server, and the experience needed is 3 to 5 years. Location is Hyderabad. Second one is Java architect. Experience needed is 5 to 10 years. The skills needed: Java enterprise architecture, Java API, boot and gateway, and this location is also Hyderabad. Now comes to the Power BI part. Here the role needed is the Snowflake architect. Experience needed is 4+ years. Skills needed: Snow Pro Core and Advanced certification, and the location is again Hyderabad. Next one is the Power BI developer. Here the skills needed: Microsoft certification 5+ years, experience also 5+ years, and the location is also Hyderabad. Thank you so much. And if you want any more informations, please check our description. You will get the contact info there. Thank you so much.